Hello and welcome to Med Talks with Dr. Moin. Today we have a renowned physician with us, Dr. Vijay Mohan. Dr. Vijay Mohan, he is a senior consultant physician at Care Hospitals and he is also a professor at a medical college. Sir, thank you so much for giving your
Thank you,
valuable
Dr.
time.
Moin. Thanks for inviting me.
Sir, in the recent past, I have just come across news. Some young chap had a sudden cardiac death. Some famous film star had a sudden death. So what could be the reason?
Yeah, Dr. Moin, many people are asking the same question. I keep getting calls and I've given a couple of interviews also. Yes, you're right. We are hearing more frequently some prominent figures, young people. When I say young, they are below 50.
Okay.
Below 50 is young. Actually, if you really want to ask me who is young, nowadays, according to new criteria, 50 years or some 100 years, the human lifespan has increased. The lifeline in the palm is lengthening.
Okay.
This is all because of the latest medicine, latest
Technology.
medical technology. Human beings' lifespan. Therefore, it's a very good point, very plus point. But at the same time, we have the maximum number of old people living in the world.
Okay.
So, old age related problems, genetic problems also are increasing.
Okay.
With this plus point, there is also coming a small minus point. Up to 60 now, they are calling it young.
Okay.
60 to 75, they are calling it at middle age.
Okay.
75 to 85 years is the old age.
Okay.
And beyond 85, they are calling old, very old age. And they also say that if the same trend continues of lifespan increasing in future, maybe around 50, 60 years, they say,
A 70-year-old.
they say that a child born today will live up to 100 or 120 years if the rate continues in the same fashion.
Okay.
Yes, it is quite possible.
Youngsters having sudden cardiac death. Sir, it's very painful. As you know that we just lost some of our friends, some of our, young and dynamic film stars. How would you just tell our viewers how to take precautions and how to protect themselves?
Yeah, that's a good question, Dr. Moin, and it's also a difficult question to answer because there's no one word or one sentence answer for this.
Yeah.
Sudden death in young people is a chapter by itself. The big causes can be many. Mainly it is heart. It is heart. Rarely it can be bleeding, sudden bleeding in the brain also. This is one of the reasons. So mainly many causes are related to heart.
Okay.
According to the statistics, 20% of the heart attacks, people die within first 2 hours.
Okay.
Some people, they cannot even make it to the hospital.
Okay.
That is the statistics. So these people belong to that 20% of the heart attacks. The reason why, your question is why it occurs, it is occurring in the young people. Young, I mean below 40 or below 50. So then again, they can be having hypertension, they can be having diabetes, or rarely they can also be having some genetic diseases in the heart, where their electrical conduction system is defective.
Okay.
But it may not manifest till age of 30 or 40, fortunately or unfortunately.
Okay.
So there are some genetic disorders where there is a conduction system, electrical system heart defect is there in the heart.
It means that they had signs and symptoms, they did not pay attention, or they did not have any signs and symptoms. It just came all of a
There is
sudden.
no need of, there is one entity called sudden cardiac death syndrome, sudden nocturnal death syndrome. For example, there is one disease called Brugada syndrome, which can kill anybody at any time, including a small boy.
Okay.
You must have heard somebody dying in the middle of the night without any complaint. So the complaints are not necessary for these people.
Okay.
So usually these people will die during the height of exercise.
Okay.
When they're swimming, when they're jumping, when they are jogging or doing some weight lifts, other things.
Okay.
So if there is any family history of anybody dying in their family of young death, cardiac death, the subsequent people who are surviving should be very careful and they get analyzed of their cardiac problems if they have any genetic defects in the heart.
This is really very scary, but at the same time there is a remedy for that. Now Dr. Vijay Mohan is going to tell us. Sir, do we have a set of investigations and at a set of age where we should go and check?
Yeah, that is the problem. If somebody has symptoms, we know that he has this patient, this person has some chest pain.
Right.
So he goes to doctor, takes an ECG or does some angiogram or something like that. But unfortunately, some set of group of patients, they're totally asymptomatic. They don't need to, they don't go to doctors. So it's very difficult for them to identify.
Okay.
But at the same time, people who have the family history, as I said just now, or they have any chest pain, or there any coronary artery disease patients, obese patient, cholesterol patient, people who are having diabetes, smokers, high cholesterol, these people should be extremely careful even though they are 25, 30 or 40 years of age.
So if that is the thing, probably you should draw attention and you should pay attention to yourselves. So you don't know when is that right time, and you don't know when is the time you might be having, which is, what do you call it, sir? Like when people don't know the answers for some questions, and probably they will be taking some help. So similarly, when you have similar situation in front of you, all you can do is meet a physician in your neighborhood. That's all you have to do. And you are not living in a world where getting an appointment with a reputed physician is difficult. There are so many qualified, experienced senior physicians where you can just go meet them. Sir, how would you just advise after 35 or 40 annual checkup? Would this help encountering these kind of sudden cardiac deaths?
Yeah, you're right, Dr. Moin. What we think generally is, okay, I became 35, I became 40, I should stop smoking, I should reduce weight, I should start walking and all.
Right.
It's not like that.
Okay.
Your lifestyle discipline begins at the age of 2 years.
Okay.
You should begin your lifestyle, you should be disciplined
Okay.
from the age of 2, not at the age of 40 that, oh no, I am 40 now, I should be careful. No,
Okay.
you should be careful right from the beginning.
Okay.
Your dietary habits, your physical activity habit should begin from the age when you are still a child.
Okay.
So if you are a smoker, at least you stop them, and if an alcoholic, you stop them or take in a moderate quantities, and control your sugar, control your high blood pressure, control your cholesterol. If somebody has a family history, you're more prone, you're more at risk of developing future heart problems. So self-discipline, spend 1 hour for yourself.
Right.
Spend 1 hour for yourself, your diet, daily walking, the best ever exercise that can push your heart and other problems for 10 to 15 years further.
So very wisely said, Dr. Vijay Mohan. As sir has said, there are certain things which are in your hands. No matter certain things which are not in your hands, but what is in your hand is something which you can control. If you are smoking, please stop it. If you are drinking alcohol, please have a hold on it. If you are having sedentary lifestyle, please start exercising. If you have diabetes, hypertension, or any other problems, you have specialists around you, please control your blood pressures, diabetes, and have a watch on yourself. Thank you so much, Dr. Vijay Mohan, for spending your valuable time and speaking
Thank you,
to our
Dr.
viewers.
Mohan.
And thank you for watching.